Battery life test tayo ngayon mga tol, and the product that we'll be testing today is none other than the WOW Audio Jive. Ano ba yung WOW Audio Jive? Para sa mga first time pa lang marinig ang product na ito, this is a party box type of speaker. Ayan, hawak ko siya ngayon. It is self-enclosed. Ang specification nito is it has a 2.1 loudspeaker setup. This means it has two tweeters na 1.5 inches, tapos meron siyang subwoofer, and it has its own battery, a 5,400 milliamp hour battery module. According to WOW Audio, it will give you 6.5 hours with the lights on and up to 10 hours with the lights off. So we would like to validate that, and as these product ratings go, there are certain conditions for you to achieve that 6.5 hours. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it on, we're gonna enable the lights, but also we're gonna play this on maximum volume. Kasi kung magpa-party ka, diba, you wanna be able to use this on the go. Lipat-lipat mo siya, let's say nasa pool kayo or a house party, magandang pwede mo siya ilipat-lipat, at maganda rin na maitodo mo siya. We also want to test and check the volume level or the decibels, okay, with a very simple tool na download natin sa Android. Tapos ayun, ano pa yung mga features na meron si WOW Audio Jive? Meron siyang Bluetooth 5.0 support, which allows you to connect wirelessly using your phone, laptop, tablet, what have you. Meron din siyang TWS feature or True Wireless Stereo feature, which allows you to chain up to 2 speakers. So we have 2 of these, one over here and one at the back. If you have 2 of these speakers, syempre mas maganda, mas malakas. Tapos meron kang left and right channel. Pero huwag ka mag-alala, kung isa lang yung bibilhin mo, okay naman, kasi meron naman siyang dalawang tweeters. So in itself, it's already a 2.1 configuration loudspeaker. Okay, what else? May na-miss ba tayo? Ayun, yung ilaw, meron siyang lights, party lights. Mamaya de-demonstrate natin yan. Tapos meron din siyang configuration for your microphone in. At maganda dito is that meron siyang handle for carrying. Medyo may kabigatan ng konti, nasa 4 kilos, but in the context of loudspeakers, sakto lang yon, kasi mabigat naman talaga ang speaker sana kung meron siyang built-in na subwoofer, amplifier, tsaka battery.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth pairing EWS left channel. Bluetooth connected.
Ayan, so connected na siya sa ating phone. And by the way, the video that you are seeing right now is being captured using the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Okay, so kung may questions kayo about this product, or if you want to learn more about it, head over to our YouTube channel at Tech Kuya. Search nyo na lang kami doon. Let's start by bringing the volume all the way down to level 0. Ayan, and we're gonna play some music from WOW Audio. Okay, wala akong naririnig. Pakita natin ang ating sound meter. Hello, hello. For reference, nasa 60 decibels pag nagsasalita tayo, and we're gonna bring the volume up right about half. Todo natin ngayon. Okay, super lakas. Umabot siya ng mga 87 decibels at this distance. Okay, so it's about 1 PM and we're gonna start a clock to measure the total runtime, or we're gonna start a stopwatch, no, to measure the total runtime. Sana natin. By the way, in case nagtataka kayo kung bakit ginagawa natin to sa car, kasi ayaw natin mabulabog yung mga kapitbahay natin, mareklamo tayo sa barangay, and ito yung naisip ko na paraan para ma-drain yung battery life at maitodo yung volume ng hindi masyadong na maingay, no, para kasi pag nasa bahay ito sobrang lakas talaga niya, dumadagundong yung buong bahay at abot hanggang kabilang kanto. Okay, hindi ko pala napakita yung light options, so we're gonna continue playing music. Okay, ito yung option number 1. Option 2, pula. Option 3, masayaw na spectrometer ang tawag dito. Option 4, pulse na ilaw. So ngayon, itotodo ko yung volume, tapos kita-kits na later once nag-stop na at namatay na yung speakers natin.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, nag-stop na yung playback ng ating speakers. Let me try to turn it on. Umiilaw pa siya.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth pairing.
Interesting. Try natin itong isa. Okay.
Low battery.
So apparently yung nasa baba ubos na yung baterya. Pero itong nasa taas, may konting battery pa siya, and it's already giving us a low battery message. So far, ang total na tinakbo natin is nasa 4 hours and 30 minutes. So let's continue playing. Tanggalin na muna natin ito. Wow! Okay, I just noticed na medyo mainit yung speakers. Certainly may factor na kulob siya sa kotse. Iniwan natin siya the whole day. Nag-start tayo around 1 PM and right now it's 5:45. So may factor na nakakulob siya sa kotse, pero alam mo naman pagka speakers malakas kumain ng power, so hindi maiwasan na iinit ito. Alright, let's continue playing. Oh, okay. So pagka-play, biglang namatay. We've already hit our limit. Anyways, we just tried starting it again and ayaw na niya mag-on. So yun na talaga yung limit niya. 4 hours, 30 minutes. This is available right now sa Lazada. Ang retail price niya is 9,490 pesos. But if you're gonna get 2 of them, you get a 15% discount. At meron itong kasama right now na libreng wireless mic, dalawang wireless mic. So if you're interested in this product, we're gonna link to it in the description box. Abangan nyo na lang yung review. Search for us sa Tech Kuya sa YouTube and we'll see you guys there. Paalam!